Hello all, welcome to Azure DevOps tutorial RCL. Today I'll explain about Azure Storage. In Azure Storage we have blobs, binary large objects, files, tables, queues. Blobs nothing but binary large objects. In this we will store large objects like videos, JPG images and any large file system. For example, if you create a VM, okay, you will attach virtual hard disk, right? That will be stored in blobs. Files, if any kind of file you want to create or store, we will be creating file system. Tables, table start like a SQL. It's a unstructured data. Okay, we can create table system in storage also. Queue, queue generally used for a queue system, nothing but like order management ERP systems. Now we'll come to how can we access all this. We can access through Azure portal and through PowerShell command line interface. Programmatically, will be providing binary large address URL. Okay, through that in .NET or C Sharp you can access through that. Azure Storage Explorer. Azure Storage Explorer, nothing but is an independent application. You need to download it. From that you can connect to blobs, storage account, tables, and queue systems. Azure files. Here you can see the example, right? Here we are creating one file share. Okay, through many systems you can uh, process the data. You can say push and pull the data. For example, I have taken here. Yeah, it's a my system. It's a downstream system. It's upstream system. My system depends on some upstream and downstream. Few data required. Downstream required some data from my system. What we'll do, I'll create a file share and create a folder. I'll give the permission to downstream. Downstream will access required data and process it. Similarly, if I want some data from upstream, like related to any order management or anything else, we will create a folder. Okay, upstream will give the upstream will drop the files there, and from there we will pick and process that. This is how file share system will work. We'll come to Azure table storage. As I said previously, it's a NoSQL base. NoSQL base in the sense there is no primary key, secondary key concept, foreign key concept, and there is no structured schema. Here we'll be filtering based on key and value pairs. Now we'll come to queue storage. Queue storage nothing but is like a storage management. For example, I'll take here. Let's say order management is a queue. Warehouse also will check in queue process whether they have required SQL information that will validate from this order management. If it is there exist, then it will process. Delivery also will check. Okay, any product delivery is there, whether it's exists in this queue. If it exists, then we'll check with warehouse, is it processed or not. If it is processed, then it will deliver it. Sales return. Sales is nothing but previously it will check and sales order details. Previously that order will exist or not. If it is exist, then sales return will pick from that queue management. Information management, nothing but if you want to information queue, if you want to check some data as related to warehouse delivery sales return, okay, that will be checking based on if you want to check in warehouse, that will be checked on based on SQ, and delivery based on delivery ID, and sales return it will be checking on sales ID. This is how a queue management system will work. Okay, what are the benefits of Azure storage? It's a redundancy and very secure and transparent because we have access keys to control that and shared access signatures. You have HDD and SSD storage, and you have primary SSD storage also. Based on your cost, you can access it. Network accessibility. you can access from your VM or you can access based on your network. Access keys and shared access signature is for your safety. So if you want to access anything, it will ask access key. If you are given access key, once you insert access key, then only you are able to view the data or access the data. Shared access signature. If you don't want access keys, in few you have option called shared access signature. That token you need to provide. Based on that, it will get open. I'll take to practical part in next video on blobs and files. If possible, I'll take tables also. Thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.